Possible finance deposits usually arrive after approval and bank verification, but the exact timing depends on your bank connection, approval status, and whether your account verification completes instantly. By the end, you'll know what instant actually means in the app, what can delay your deposit, and what to check if your money doesn't show up. Start with the key point. There is no single fixed deposit time that applies to every user. Possible Finance sends funds after your loan is approved and your bank account is successfully linked. Once both steps are complete, the transfer begins through your bank network. Now break down the fastest scenario. If your bank connection is verified without issues and your account passes approval immediately, the deposit can show up the same day in many cases. That only happens when all systems line up with no verification delays. Now look at the most common delay. Bank processing time is the biggest factor outside the app. Even after Possible Finance sends the money, your bank still needs to post the transaction to your account. Some banks update faster than others, especially during weekends or after business hours. Now, talk about verification delays. If identity checks are not completed right away, the deposit will not start at all. This includes ID verification, bank login verification, and income checking. If any of these steps are incomplete, the transfer stays on hold. Now look at app side holds. Sometimes the loan is approved but not fully processed yet. That usually happens when the system needs extra review before releasing funds. In those cases, the deposit won't start until the review is finished. Now here's what people miss most. A pending status inside the app does not always mean the money is on the way. It often means the loan is approved, but still waiting for final transfer authorization. Now go over timing patterns. Deposits that start earlier in the day usually move faster through bank systems. Later day transfers can take longer to appear because they get processed in the next banking cycle. Now here's a simple checklist if your deposit is missing. First, confirm your loan is fully approved in the app. Second, check that your bank account is still connected and active. Third, review your bank app for pending or incoming transfers. Fourth, wait for at least one full banking cycle before assuming there's an issue. This clears up most confusion around missing deposits. Here's the key breakdown. Possible finance deposits depend on three things: loan approval status, bank connection quality, and your bank's processing speed. Most delays happen outside the app, not inside it. Quick recap: audio. Approval must be complete, your bank must be connected correctly, and your bank must finish posting the transfer. Next step is simple. Check your loan status first inside the app, because if it's not fully approved, the deposit has not even started yet. Like and subscribe for more simple explanations of cash advance apps without the confusion.